Hello everyone, welcome to MAP. My name is Omkar. Today Apurv and I will be talking about some of the work being done in the Simulink Lookup Table area. In this video, we'll go a quick introduction to lookup tables and focus on some of the new and upcoming features in the R2020B release. A lookup table approximates a mathematical function, say y is equal to x cubed, by modeling equations in the form of a table with x and y data. Representing an equation in this form allows us to compute values of mathematical functions using fast direct accesses and simpler interpolations, instead of computing the actual equation. This gives high performance, which is the main goal of lookup tables. Lookup tables are used everywhere across different industries. We've heard from some of you that in your embedded code, 90% of the processing time is spent in lookup table based computations, and this highlights the importance of lookup tables in the field. Simulink supports different flavors of lookup tables to support these use cases. And we've been investing in a series of features based on requests which we've heard from you over the years. To highlight a few, we brought in AutoSAR in 2014, lookup table objects in 2016, row major support, and 2 new interpolations in the last few releases. In this talk, we'll present 2 features coming out in the R2020B release, the first being table and breakpoints via ports in the 1D, 2D, and ND lookup table blocks. Before R2020B, the ND lookup table block only accepted table and breakpoint data as parameters via the dialog. In 2020B, we now provide a new source option, which allows you to select the source of this data. Let's say we set the table and breakpoint to have input port. We'll now see 2 new ports sprouting out of the block, which lets you model these as signals. An example application of this feature is when modeling adaptive lookup tables, where we want to dynamically tune the data during simulation. In this example, the table data comes in via a port, and the output information is used to tune the table data live as the simulation progresses. After the simulation is done, we can extract the table and use it in the final application. This feature offers full integration with existing feature sets like AutoSAR, row major, tunable table size, enumeration, and bus. One which I would like to highlight is the bus capability. Now that the lookup table data is in the form of signals, Simulink buses provide a powerful way to organize these signal lines, both while modeling and in the Simulink code generator. Lookup table investments are along 2 dimensions, features and user interface. Next, Apurv is going to talk about the UI enhancements that we've been working on.
Hi, I am Apurv. Today I will present visualization enhancements for lookup tables. Our vision is to ease visualizing lookup table data in Simulink. Once you bring in your data from various sources like MBC, CDF files, data dictionaries, Excel, etc. into Simulink, how can we view this data elegantly? As you know, lookup tables consist of 2 important properties, table and breakpoints, and can be seen together in Simulink.lookup table object today as edit fields. As we can see, it's difficult to visualize a 2-dimensional lookup table in these edit fields. So in 2020B, we have enhanced the visualization for lookup tables. This new addition makes it easy to visualize with your units, field name, and data all at one place. Your lookup tables are not restricted to 2 dimensions. They can have high number of dimensions. How do you visualize and edit more than 2-dimensional data? We have engineered a solution to have a seamless slice selection, which is easier to visualize and edit. Taking a step further, wouldn't you love to just copy paste your data into Simulink from any spreadsheet? The main purpose of lookup tables is to provide the nearest approximate value for the mathematical equation. You can achieve that goal by having the possibility to go back and forth with undo and redo. Well, you might want to quickly change the entire breakpoints or table values with your internal MATLAB functions. Now you can use them and visualize the values in real time. You might be uncertain about the data types underneath while editing these values. We now automatically fix them for you. We truly understand raw data might not be valid at all times. It might consist of some infs, some nans. Also, you might stumble with an error-prone operation. We validate each step and suggest the correct next step. Let's have a look at how you can reduce your 9-step workflow to just 3. Previously, to get data in a lookup table block, you would import various column vectors and matrices from your spreadsheet to convert them to a variable in a workspace, and then use it with the appropriate table or breakpoint. But with the new visualization tool, it's a mere copy and a paste operation. In summary, we have continuously been adding multiple algorithms and features to Simulink lookup table workflows. In 2020B, our main highlights are table and breakpoints via input ports in ND lookup table block and enhancing lookup table data visualization. Thank you.